Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this one we're looking at Sundial stock again. So obviously Sundial has seen some growth in a recent period, and I do believe that it's due to debt being cleared on the company. But what this means is, it's hard to say at the minute. So for that reason I thought it'd be a great time to drop in and give my opinions and my perspective on how this one might move after the moves that we have seen today. So if that does sound like a good plan for a video, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. You guys already know that we're trying to grow it as fast as we possibly can, and you have been helping massively so far. Let's just keep you guys subscribing. Let's see how far we can go, and it will be appreciated. On top of that, if you do want to come and join us on Discord, the link to that will be down in the description too, and I would love to come and talk to you guys over there. Let's not waste any time before we do have a quick look at the stock. Well, we are looking at this one on the 1 day. We can see big gains. We started off the day looking at a price of about 47 cents. We finished off looking at 51 cents. That doesn't look like too big of a gain, but actually it does account for 8%, almost even 9%. So obviously looking at this from a 1 day chart, it is actually quite a significant gain to have. Looking at the highs of the day, we were up over 20%, but unfortunately it did fall down a bit towards the end of the day, so we didn't actually get to keep all of that huge increase. But yeah, like I said, I do believe, and I could be wrong, so please don't quote me on this one, but I do believe it is due to this company being basically debt-free. And I think obviously a lot of people are happy to see that, as it does show strength in the company. So, you guys already know that we had this huge thing this month, or at least earlier this year, about this stock being very, very hyped due to the potential decriminalization of cannabis, which is what this company sells. Now, if that was the case, people were speculating that a company like this would be able to get a huge amount more business. And I do agree with that to an extent, but it's a case of what are the chances of that actually being legalized? And obviously, they're not too highly likely. However, looking at this one for a long-term buy, if you're buying in now, you're not doing too badly, because obviously a lot of that hype is out now, and I think that's definitely putting us in good standing to buy into the stock. So yeah, very happy to see some big gains on it today, and I do think that these gains should be continuing into the future. Now, when it comes to the long-term status, obviously we have been seeing that big sell-off over the month, like I said, and it's been quite flat ever since that. Now, this actually did put us on a higher level than where we did start at the end of the month, or at least at the start of the month anyway, in the sense that we started off the month on what it looks to be about 24 cents, and we finished off on 51 cents. Obviously, a lot more people did find out about the stock, and due to that, I think a lot more people were happy to keep their investment in it. Now, into the future, I do believe this will still be a thing. I think that Sundial is one of the more underrepresented stocks in the market sector, in the sense that it's not really too well known, and obviously the market cap is not that big. A load of different factors which lead to it being not one of the biggest companies in the sector, but I do believe it could still experience some growth. And I think whilst the stock is under $1, which I do believe it will be up until next year, I do need to add, obviously, I don't think it's going to break to absolute highs immediately, but I do think, if you are interested in this market sector, or even if you're not, potentially it could be a good company, a good stock to keep your eye on, as potentially a portfolio diversifier or something along those lines. So I thought I'd just give you a quick update. I think that the moves are good, I think that the reasoning is good, and I'm happy to see them. Do I think that they will continue into the next week or so? I think it's possible, but I don't think it's 100% guaranteed. Either way, I don't think this is a bad stock to buy for the long term, but for the short term, if you are still trying to ride off that hype, I wouldn't be 100% sure. And I think this positive debt thing, it is good, but I'm not sure what effect this will really have. So of course, I hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.